Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on Google Pixel and AppGallery on HUAWEI. Then download Send Anywhere app on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set it up. Let's start with the one on Google Pixel. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. Now on HUAWEI, choose I accept and confirm at the bottom. Then continue and allow in this pop-up. Following that, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of HUAWEI. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready to continue, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. And then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on HUAWEI. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your HUAWEI's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Then wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!